Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you today. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tantima Samlansuk. You can call me Nan. I am an English major student at Kasetsart University. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is elephants in Thailand. Animals can be friends with you. If you want security, elephants can be painful to you. My presentation will take about 5 minutes. Feel free to interrupt me anytime during my presentation. Let's go. Table of contents. Firstly, character. Secondly, species. Thirdly, habit. Fourthly, food. 5. Place and activities. And the last one, conservation. Character. Elephants are the largest land animal. Bleachfish. Characteristic of a good Thai elephant are strong, must have a large body, full cheek, wide forehead, big head, big eyes, have strong legs, full of muscle. Species. Ordinary elephant. Thai elephant measure about 3 meters in height, while being fully intact, from the tip of their foreleg to the shoulders. Big skull, smart, can be trained to perform. Species. White elephant have white eyes and nails, as well as a skin color that are lighter than ordinary elephant. It could be pink or white. White elephants are also used in important work of Thai king. Habit. There are 4 habits of elephants. Clever. Elephants can be trained to be turned for use. Honest. Love for the owners. Afraid. Elephants are animals that are afraid of things. Polite. Except at certain times, such as when it falls. Food. Elephants are herbivorous animals, yes. Grasses, bamboo, wormwood, bananas, corns. Elephants eat up to 16 hours a day, about 10% of your body weight, or about 200 to 400 kilograms per day. Place. If you're interested in learning about the way of life of elephants in the north of Thailand, you can go to Mae Sa Elephant Camp, Mae Tang Elephant Camp in Chiang Mai Province. This part, in the notice, you can see how cute an elephant at Chiang Khan White Elephant Camp เลย บ้านตากลาง Elephant Village Surin Province. Activities. Inside the elephant's camp, there are activities for tourists to get close to the elephants. Example, hula hooping. Elephant can perform hula hooping for everyone. An elephant can draw a picture on paper using in trunk holding a pencil. You can buy that photo to take home as a souvenir. Travel. You can purchase a canal trip package to see the nature and bathe the elephants in the stream. Playing football. And can also play football with them. So funny. The last activities. Finally, you can take picture with the elephants and feed them up close. Conservation about elephants. Forest protection. Do not buy ivory products. Leave the trash in the way. Patronizing elephants. For today's presentation is over. Thank you for watching. Love Elephant, Love Forest. Asia Elephant Foundation of Thailand. This contact to help us.